Hey everyone, I'm seriously excited to dive into today's explainer, especially if you're tuning in from ICS 101. If you've been staring at that course description, wondering how on earth to tackle your digital projects, well, you're in the right place. My name is Hector Wong, and I profess ICS at Leeward Community College. My office is located at the Waianae Moku Satellite Campus. Come visit. Today, we're demystifying website creation, and we're doing it using the best roadmap out there, the official Google Sites help directory. So, where do you even begin? Honestly, building a site from scratch feels pretty intimidating. You might think you need to code or hire a pro just to get something basic online, but the official documentation has a really reassuring answer for us. You literally just need a roadmap. We're going to use their step-by-step guide to get you from a totally blank screen to a functional website with absolutely zero coding required. Here's our agenda. We're hitting 5 key phases today: getting started, creating your site, editing and designing, publishing and sharing, and finally, analytics and troubleshooting. All right, let's jump right into phase 1, getting started, the foundation. Before you even click a button to build, the documentation anchors you with the absolute basics. You really have to understand your system requirements. Knowing exactly which browsers are compatible saves you from serious glitches later on. There's also this super handy guide for finding what's changed in a site, which is perfect if you just need a quick catch-up on updates before diving back into an old project. Moving right along to phase 2, creating your site, building the frame. The creation process here is just highly logical. According to Google, it basically boils down to 3 steps. 1, you spin up a blank site or copy an existing template. 2, give it an identity by naming it. And 3, establish your structure by adding, deleting, and organizing your pages. It's exactly that simple. You're essentially just framing your digital house, setting up the rooms before you start decorating. And now for the really fun part, section 3, editing and designing, making it yours. The big takeaway here is the sheer size of the customization toolkit. The docs show you how to add your core text and images, but it goes way beyond that. You can throw in announcement banners or embed interactive gadgets, like a dynamic Google Calendar for class schedules. Oh, and if you really want to level up, there's an entire guide on connecting a custom domain for your own professional web address. Now, I absolutely love this next point. Because Sites lives inside the whole Google Workspace ecosystem, it's incredibly easy to integrate things like docs, sheets, and slides. For my ICS 101 students out there, this is a complete game changer. You can literally embed your data spreadsheets directly into your portfolio. The formatting stays perfectly intact, and it updates live. Which brings us to section 4, publishing and sharing, going live. The documentation makes a really clear distinction between editing and publishing. Behind the scenes, you can invite people to privately edit your site. This is your safe, collaborative drafting space. But when you're finally ready, that's when you use the publish and share features to push your finished product out to the world. But wait, right before you hit publish, the help directory dedicates a whole section to reviewing your latest changes. This built-in QA check gives you a neat side-by-side comparison of your draft and the live version, making absolutely sure everything looks flawless before going live. Finally, we hit section 5, analytics and troubleshooting post-launch care. Because launching is really just day 1, right? The docs cover all the admin features you need. First, you can link Google Analytics to monitor traffic. Then, accessibility guides show you how to optimize for screen readers, which honestly helps you build cleaner sites for everyone. And for data management, you get clear instructions on exporting data if you ever need to archive a semester's worth of work. And hey, if things go wrong, don't panic. The official docs have built-in safety nets. There are dedicated pages to fix common problems. details on content, exceptions for educational purposes, and links to the help community where you can chat with real users. You're never building alone, so there you have it. You've got the exact roadmap to build and launch with total confidence. To my ICC 101 folks and everyone else tuning in, I'll leave you with this. Now that you have the tools and the map, what kind of digital world are you going to build today? Thanks so much for exploring this with me.
Let's see who turned in some work.